Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you're looking for a clean, professional way to track your hours without leaving Notion, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a timesheet in Notion, using a free template to save time, and get a great-looking result that you can customize to fit your workflow. Let's jump right in and set you up with a streamlined timesheet that actually helps you stay organized. The first thing to know is that we're not starting from scratch. We'll be utilizing one of Notion's free timesheet templates. And trust me, this makes the whole process so much faster and easier. Templates in Notion give everything a professional look right out of the gate, and you'll have the flexibility to tweak things later so your timesheet feels personal and truly useful to you. So, here's how to get that template into your workspace. When you open Notion, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. There's a little drop-down menu there. If you click it, you'll get a set of additional options for your page. Sometimes, those tucked-away menus are easy to overlook, but they're where Notion keeps a lot of its power features. From that drop-down, find and select Browse Templates. This opens up Notion's template library, which is a goldmine for ready-made solutions. In the search bar inside the template gallery, go ahead and type Timesheet. You'll see a bunch of results pop up. Each template has its own style or structure. Some are minimalistic, others a bit more colorful. Take a moment to peek at a couple of them. You don't need to rush this part. Choose one that fits the kind of timesheet you want to use. For example, if you're tracking project work, maybe one with categories or tags will work best. If you just need hours and notes, a simpler layout is perfect. Once you've found your template, click on it to preview the details. Make sure it has the fields you'll need, like date, task, hours worked, or anything else that matters for your workflow. When you're ready, hit Add. Notion will automatically insert a fresh copy of that template into your workspace. Now the fun part, customization. The template gives you a solid starting point, but you don't have to keep it exactly as it is. You can go ahead and add your credentials, such as your name, or maybe your client's name if you're working for someone else. This is also where you can get creative. For instance, if you want to track billable versus non-billable hours, you could add a new column for that. Or, if you love color coding, tweak the template's design so it matches your style. Maybe turn client work green and internal tasks blue. It's totally up to you. Take a few minutes to input some sample data just to see how everything feels. If you notice something missing, don't worry. You can always add or adjust columns in Notion really easily. If this is your first time customizing a template, it might take a little experimentation to get right, and that's perfectly normal. The most important thing is that your timesheet feels clear, organized, and genuinely useful once you're done. And that's it! You now have a professional, personalized timesheet in Notion, ready to help you keep track of your hours and tasks effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Notion workflow you're struggling with. I'd love to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tips, templates, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!